Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Just a quick update here. It's currently still following our triangle count here. I think it might have done this D wave to the upside now. Just a quick reminder, if we really are here in a fourth wave triangle, which on one hand fits very well into the count, on the other hand, due to the size and the length of this triangle, it doesn't really fit in. Yeah, if you compare the wave 4 length here with the wave 2 down there, it just is completely out of proportion. But it's actually a nice triangle, so we keep the options open here and allow it to rally higher as long as it doesn't break below the C wave low. Yeah, as I said in the last video, a break below the 38.9 cent level will make a breakout to the downside quite likely. And then we've got here a scenario in which we could then get into, and I actually put my put the alternative wave 2 low in here. Yeah, this is based on the assumption that if we make a low here, yeah, and break below the C wave low, which in a triangle we would not be allowed to do, but in this alternative scenario we are. So if we make that new low, then we would have to assume that we already peaked here in a wave 1 on Thursday, yeah, and that we are coming down in a wave 2 into the area between 38.3 and 36.1 cents. Yeah, then we have here something like an A wave, a B wave, and we would be coming down in a C wave, A, B, C. But the thing is, the move down isn't really impulsive at this stage, so I'm rather looking at something like a triangle here. But it could still be A wave, B wave triangle, yeah. And if this is a B wave triangle, let me illustrate that for you. Yeah, so if we've got something like this, A wave down, yeah, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, B wave would sit here and then C wave down. Then we would very shortly, let me just see. Yeah, we should then see one more leg down, one more leg up, would peak in this B wave and come down in the C wave. So therefore, this would be the explanation why the move down is currently not yet impulsive. The C wave will be impulsive, but it hasn't started yet. But this would only be likely if we make one more low in here, well, and then maybe break through directly, or ideally one more low, one more lower high, and then come down. Okay, and if we don't break out, then if we don't break out above the D wave high in the next attempt to rally here, so if we stay below 41 cents, then this would also increase in likelihood. But the thing is, we're still holding the range here at the moment, yeah. But these are the possibilities. Either here rally in a fifth wave, which would be great, yeah, as per the, let's call it the primary count. But if we lose this support area, then we have to keep options open and keep an open mind that we couldn't get into this area where we then overall probably have here an A wave and not an A wave, a wave 1, yeah, and then come down in something like A, B, C in wave 2 and have another possibility to turn around. This is the next most likely scenario in my opinion, yeah. So otherwise not really any change, you know. Anybody who's entered here, you know, you could think about taking some partial profits or maybe just move up your stop loss. Otherwise there is not much more to do. This of course is also a trend reversal area, yeah, basically a support area to support the price if it moves higher. But obviously, as you can clearly see, the headwinds are increasing up here. So things aren't as clear anymore as they were down here, as they were here in the short area, as they were in this long area and this long area. Things are getting now a little bit less certain because we have this count, we've got the wave 2 count, and actually there's another count that I talked about in the previous video where we just have here an overshooting B wave and could then still come down. But I don't want to make it too complicated. We take it level by level, step by step. And for now, the support areas are holding and allow for a move higher. If this is the correct count that we have on the chart, I wanted to remind you also of the ideal target for this E wave. Now, they are not rules, they are not absolute rules, but they are guidelines. And what would be the ideal target for the E wave? Well, for that, we take the length of the C wave, go to the high of the D wave, and then we've got two possible targets. The very first one is 39.85 cents. That's the 38.2 extension, the less likely target. The more likely target would be 39.16, which is the 61.8 extension, an ideal target in a triangle for an E wave. yeah, that's sort of where we are. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.